Team huddles. Yes, in this video, I want to talk about something which is very, very common. Lot of you as leaders would be doing, having your team huddles, daily huddles, weekly huddles. But how could you make it more meaningful? And how could you make it an opportunity where you connect more effectively, especially in these times when you're working remotely? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find it meaningful and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Well, you may be having daily huddles. You could have weekly huddles depending upon what works for you. And I think it evolves, depending upon what your purpose is, whether it's going to be completely work related, you want to have a 15-minute thing every day, or you want to have a 1 hour, 1.5 hour thing once a week, that is part of the process, how you're going to do it. But मुझे लगता है उससे भी इम्पॉर्टेंट जो एक चीज़ है और कई बार उसको हम मिस कर जाते हैं, वो है कॉन्टेक्स्ट. What is your context of having the team huddle? As a leader, you as well as every participant of the huddle should be clear on the context. आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, क्या thought process है उस huddle के लिए. And that context will actually impact the actions, the behavior, what you're going to do, and what will be the outcome of the huddle. So, considering this time when a lot of us are working remotely, and I hear this question so often, how do we motivate the teams? How do we connect with them? There are so many people who are joining right now. कई लोगों जो नया ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनसे फेस टू फेस कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, और जब तक फेस टू फेस कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है मुश्किल हो जाता है वो कनेक्ट, वो बॉन्ड एस्टैब्लिश करना. Your team huddles are an excellent opportunity. You can make them more engaging, more meaningful. There are a lot of ways of doing that. But how about having huddles which are more directed on the individual front, personal front? काम से संबंधित तो बहुत सारे forums होते होंगे, बहुत सारी meetings होती हैं, and you can surely have those meetings, those interventions. But when it comes to connecting on a personal basis, because people want to belong, they always wanted to do that, abhi aur zyada. They want to feel connected. They are looking for a community. Now, how about the team itself providing that space? So maybe, for example, आप हफ्ते में एक बार टीम हडल करते हैं जिसमें 15 लोग आपकी टीम के, 20 लोग, 40 लोग, जितने भी लोग हैं वो इकट्ठे होते हैं और आप उसको बहुत ही एंगेजिंग, एक्साइटिंग, लाइट रखते हैं. मे बी यू गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एवरीबडी to just speak, to talk about them, what's going on, what's working, what's not working, कहाँ पर concern आ रहा है, क्या challenge है, कुछ bother कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है. Or maybe you could pick 5 people who are going to do it today. Next week we'll have another 5, and then you support them if required. Or even just giving them that space, that listening where they can just pour out. That helps strengthen the bond. जो आपको वो कनेक्ट मिसिंग लग रहा है अभी, ये एक ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती है उस कनेक्ट को बिल्ड करने की, उस कनेक्ट को एस्टैब्लिश करने की. सो आई थिंक देयर इज अ नीड टू री-लुक at the team huddles such that they do not remain a routine activity that must be done, and you actually take it to the next level, and make it an opportunity to connect more meaningfully with your team members, and And yes, that will also evolve. I think you can just create a context with your team that this is what I'm thinking, what do you all have to say. Together you can create that context. जरूरी नहीं है as a leader आप वो context create करें और फिर सबको बताएं. Have participation, have the involvement of the team. अगर team उस context creation में शामिल है, it's going to be even more powerful. जब मैंने कुछ क्रिएट किया है जिसका मैं हिस्सा हूं तो मेरा कमिटमेंट नेक्स्ट लेवल पे होगा. देन आई विल इंश्योर दैट द हडल it just goes well. Every member every member of the team really experiences that, because I'm also a stakeholder now since I've participated. So many different ways to look at it, but I just wanted to bring up this whole thing that just came to my mind, that using the daily huddles which are anyway happening, using the weekly huddles which are anyway happening into such an opportunity. या अगर huddles अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, you can start doing them. Yeah. So I hope this could really, you could see the opportunity here, and go ahead, use it in whatever shape or form that works for you as a team, as an organization, and make the most of it. This can really be a game changer when it comes to building that connect with the team. Yeah, and make more meaningful connections through this. Hope you liked it. Do hit the like button. If you did, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.